Hi Capricorns, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your weeklies from 18th till 24th of January 2021, and we are going to see what are the energies you are going to attract this week. Alright, so to book a personal reading by me, you can DM me or message me on my Facebook or Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. And you can also find the link for both of my accounts, which is given in the description box below. And this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, so just take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay, so what is there for my Capricorns? Energies for my Capricorns on the week of from 18th till 24th of January. Okay, so we have change, the Lovers, guidance, and what else do we have? Okay, so it tells me about that energy where you are into that zone of, that kind of a zone where you are really tired from the mundane life of your daily basis. You are going to job, you might be even doing your job from home, work from home kind of a thing, or whatever you are doing. You want to be a little lazy in this week. You want changes, but you don't want change in the same zone. This tells me about you are going through a shift of, basically a shift of energy, shift of mood can be, because we have the Lovers and sharing. So this also tells me about you might be cooking at home, you might be loving yourself, because this is more about, your partner is really, you might be, if you are in a committed relationship, you might be with your partner, you might be cooking with each other, going on a date. But this tells me about more about yourself. You might do some cooking, you might do some inner work, inner healings, doing something which actually involves yourself. Okay, and and guidance and experiencing. So this is telling me that you are really letting go of all the negative energies. You are talking to your friends, you are having a good time with yourself at your home, doing nothing. Okay, so very nice kind of an energy, because sometimes we really need to just, we need to skip from the daily mundane schedule from our life. We need to go around, we need to explore new things, we need to do what we want to do. Planting, might be candles around you, you might be taking a beautiful bath with salts and listening to good music, having drinks with your friends and enjoying. Basically, this is a very beautiful thing which is coming up. You might be even meeting your mother this week, those who are planning to meet their mother or somebody whom they love a lot. This is that time. If you are planning, it's really good. And what else do we have? Okay, let's see. You're waiting for some kind of change as well. This change can be regarding with, a job change. You are waiting, because these two cards tell me about that thing. Okay, let's see now. What do we have? Okay, so looking towards your past. Okay, so they are with the 5 of cups and the 6 of cups, both over here. There's a sneak peek in your past you are doing. It can be somebody connecting with you from the past, or some kind of of feeling of some kind of guilt or sadness, remembering those old times, nostalgia kind of a thing. It can be with somebody from your past, or it can be, a childhood friend. It can also be something you're remembering, that it was good when you were a child, when you were a kid. It was such a good time. Ace of Pentacles and the World, I'm getting that this is more about ending the old things, because the world always tells us that theirs is the completion of the process. Might be completion of a divorce over here, completion of something, of a relationship, because I'm seeing that this involves some kind of a relationship. Four of Wands, the World, Five of Cups, and Six of Cups. And new beginning, you are entering, you are becoming the child, the inner child which you wanted to be. You are not letting people tell you that you have grown up. No, you are entering into a zone of new beginnings, and you want to explore new things in your life. This is the message. Okay, and what else do we have? Yeah, you might be even going to visit a friend, or marriage, some kind of a function, a reunion with your past colleagues or past friends. You might meet them, you might have a good time with them, and ending all the things, all the past worries in your relationships, or whatever it can be. What else do we have? Yes, and communication is the key, first of all. So you are ready to have a good talk with your friends. So this is more about, Knight of Cups tells me about new relationship coming towards you, but you may or may not be, that in that zone where, okay, fine, it can be a fling. It does not has to be a relationship long term, but I'm ready to enter. I'm ready to explore new things. So why not this? Let's just be happy, okay? And see how beautiful this relationship I'm seeing, because it's carrying a lot of action, a lot of passion. So if you are getting involved in some kind of a relationship, it is actually a very beautiful one. New things, new initiatives coming towards this relationship. In fact, you are putting your ideas not only in a relationship, you are putting some ideas in some kind of a business, some kind of a work as well. So this is very beautiful message. Yeah, because you have ended the old things and you are going towards new things. So it's like you are very positive this week. You are not ready to just be although it's showing me that you might feel lazy somewhere, but I'm seeing that you are more doing your own work. You're more into yourself, because there is change over here. You are ready for the new change. You are ready for new beginnings. You are ready to end the past things. And the Lovers is telling me that you are ready to love yourself. You're going to give yourself more time rather than the others. Talking to people, having counseling, sharing, and sharing of ideas. It can be, although you might feel sometimes that this is not the time I should do all this, but you're doing really pretty good in that thing. And with people, you are very good. People really love you for what you are doing in your life. You have that, you have experienced. Okay, so being a Capricorn is the oldest sign, so they have experienced a lot already. So I'm not asking you to just to experience more. You have already experienced a lot. You have ended the bad situations in your life. You have, there were sad past of you, which if you share with some people, they might not even understand what you have gone through. And you have ended a process of your life. That process has actually been ended. So don't worry, it won't start again. So new beginnings, new passion, new areas, new fields are coming towards you, where a new job opportunity, it can be new things. Okay, so if you feel somewhere that you are feeling nostalgic, you are feeling like I am sad, I'm remembering that old past. So do not worry about it, because life moves on. With the Chariot Cancer energy, life goes on. Okay, because you have to work. So from the Page of Cups to the Page of Swords to the Knight of Cups, you are actually progressing. You are experiencing from your past mistakes. Whatever you have done, you are experiencing. And what is there? So all is well that ends well. So you are happy. So this is not just a small thing. Life goes on. All right. So that is all from my side, Capricorns. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.